In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can calculate unknown lengths in similar shapes. Two shapes are said to be similar if one shape can become another after resizing and rotating, reflecting, or translating. The lengths of the sides in one shape will have a scale factor of the same corresponding side in the other. So looking at 12 and 4, these are two corresponding sides. They have a scale factor. To calculate the scale factor, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. This means that the larger shape is 3 times bigger than the smaller one. Knowing that multiplying x by 3 will give me 27, we can say that 3x is equal to 27. So, dividing both sides by 3, x would equal 27 divided by 3, which is equal to 9. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. The two corresponding sides in this case are 6 and 3. To calculate the scale factor, 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. This means that shape 2 is twice as big as shape 1. So to calculate x, I need to multiply 11 by 2 in order to give me x. So x is equal to 2 times by 11, which is equal to 22.